Dude, this place has a dance floor and a jacuzzi. That's awesome, bro. Dude, I'm gonna like party on this boat. Okay, well I just wasted that. Get out of the time limit. If I gotta restart, I'll restart. I don't think it just shoots on its own. At least I got the right one though. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to the Wade and Cheese Show. I am Wade here today, bringing you some more of Special Agent Thursdays. Today, we have been tasked to get on this freaking boat, this yacht, and find a guy named Lazo. So, let's see what happens. I'm liking his boat, though. This freaking got... Here. Freaking got a lot of necessities here. Let's see how this works. There shouldn't be a lot of people, it's just a boat. Guy over here, yeah, there is. Okay, let's go. Hurry up, come on. At least I got the right skill this time, upgraded, unlike the last time. I don't think there's anybody. I gotta be careful with this freaking camera. How does the camera work? Alright, looks like that. Boy, what the hell are you looking at that painting? That painting sucks. All gaming in here or what? Might join you. Dude, this dude's got an arcade on his boat. Look at this shit. I can't even tell what they are. Super Warrior? City Streets? I think this is Cosmic Cylinder. Gulag? Space Zombies? Man, this dude's got a killer boat. I gotta wait for him to turn around. Come on. I don't think the other guy turns around. Anytime now, buddy. I know, it's a nice dance floor. You got a nice bar, too. This dude's pretty rich. Where I got all this money? Curious. Alright, let's go. Get in the door. Alright, now we got one more here. Alright, I think that's everybody. Give me that $100. This is a kick-ass dance floor, bro. Check this out. Do a spinneroni, bro! Whee! Oh, I think I turned the lights out. Oh no, they're back on. Whee! I gotta have my 5 seconds of fame, guys. Come on now. Alright, let's go downstairs? Really, that's where we go next? Yeah, we do, okay. Lazo, you're so crazy. Is there a guy over here? Oh my god, What's he doing in here? Is he literally just staring at the wall? Oh, there's that half-naked chick. We all know what's going on over here. This one. Ready to kill the lights? Is he coming back here? Is he coming back here? I can't tell. Come on in here, buddy. Okay. I like how you're able to shoot me. What the? Where'd you come from? I was like, I so am interested how you were able to shoot me. $3,000? That didn't work out the way I wanted it to, but I guess whatever. You were making weird noises. Probably what set them off. Go to sleep. You know, you were fairly quiet, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh, I leveled up to level 11. Dude, I want that guitar. That guitar looks cool as shit. Are people coming in here? Yes, there are. Now, can I get out of here without getting majorly hurt? What the hell was that combo? Dude freaking pulled out some, like, Jet Li shit over here. Wait, what was that? Oh, I thought he had something. I don't know if there's any more people or not. I don't think there is. I think we gotta break in here now. That was fairly easy. What the hell is this? Who's sending the frickin' Navy SEALs here? I don't know, not a whole lot I can do. Who's this little girl? It's like a couple.
Lazo has been terminated. Move out.
Sound like damn robots.
What the hell's going on here?
What? Oh, I almost got you, you fucking bitch. Oh, I almost had you. Oh, you can kiss my ass. Bro, I definitely had you. Hold on, let me get that skill back again. Because the next time I'll finish you off. I don't mind sitting back here camping. Y'all can't hit me anyways. Oh, yeah, what the fuck? What the fuck? I almost got my skill back. Once I get my skill back, you're screwed. You're done for. Hold on. I need a better angle. Where am I? Gotcha.
What, nothing to say? I want to know what you're doing here. Who sent you? You're just a kid, so I'm willing to let this go. Keep pushing it.
Just let her go. I mean, if anything, worst comes to where I could take her out again. Oh, nice amulet.
Mike, are you still there?
I'm here.
Someone was jamming the frequency. Are you alright?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, that was an interesting level. And I drive away. Why didn't I just keep the yacht? That yacht was pretty badass. I would have kept that thing. I definitely would have kept that sucker. That yacht looked pretty cool. Had a freaking arcade, had a freaking jacuzzi, had a dance floor, man, even had a bar. Ah, bro. I could have totally used all that.
What's up with the connection? Looks like something's interfering with the transmission.
What the
Great.
fuck?
You guys again. And I take it you're the leader? I ran into a little friend of yours tonight.
Turn it up a little
Hanging
bit.
out with your G22 buddies. She's quite the little firecracker, although she doesn't talk much. Well, except with those pistols.
That would be my bodyguard, sis. And I know you spared her life. That's why I'm calling.
I didn't want to fight. I was only there for Lazo. But she didn't give me much choice.
It was under my orders, Mike. But I didn't realize you would be there. Else, I would have instructed sis to behave differently.
So should I ask what G22 is doing in Moscow? You guys sure seem to get around.
It's a rather long answer, Mike. One I'd like to discuss more, if you'd be up for it.
Is your bodyguard invited? If so, I'll need body armor.
I'm afraid it's required she be present. We're not supposed to be apart. It's how G22 operates in the field. But like you, I tend to bend the rules for the sake of the greater good. I'll leave the choice up to you, but I can't wait long. If you want to discuss your future, then meet me at the following coordinates. It isn't far. And come along.
Alright, why not?
Alright. But I better not be walking into an ambush. And tell Sis to keep her distance.
I will do so. I will not wait long, Mike. So if you want to speak to me, you'll have to do it soon.
That's interesting. Okay. 14 points. Wow. Alright, this is an interesting predicament. What do I want to do here? I get 2 of these and get Shadow Operative. Blech. I want to get this because this tells me where everybody's at. I don't really need Shadow Operative, to be quite honest. I have 8. Should I have my health? Or my martial arts? My martial arts suck, so I'm going to put 2 in these. Alright, that works out. Yeah, because once you have Awareness Master, you can pretty much tell where everybody's at all the time. So, I mean, it works out in my favor no matter what. It's not even an activated ability anymore. Ooh, who do I want her to dig up? Parker, Darcy, or Westridge? Let's do Westridge. Why not? Okay, let's see how much money I have. 18 grand. Boy, what can I do with 18 grand? Not a whole lot. I don't really need pistol ammo. Adds a moderate time delay for being spotted by cameras. That's interesting. Moderate bonus to lockpicking. Improves ability cooldown rates. I might get this just to help me with the lockpicking and shit, because you guys know how difficult the lockpicking is for me. And I think that's all I have. Yep, that's all I got. I'm gonna put this on here real quick though. How does it go on? Oh, it's a mod, isn't it? Oh, I already have that. Good thing I didn't have to buy it. Dude, that carbide matrix, man. How much does this go down? Put that on here. What is the camo again? Slightly reduces enemy sight range. I like that though. This. Golly, when do I get another, like, armor mod? Because I can get 4. I need 4 in order for this to, like, do well for me. I'm gonna have to go with this. Golly, I want this carbide matrix so bad because it adds +10 and +5 to damage reduction. You know what? I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna have to. What is that? Oh, Nazri's beret. That's the headband. Darcy's photo. I don't know why I want a photo of Darcy on my fucking thing, but whatever. Stealth course, black. Dude, that's a nice ass shower. I probably already said that already, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna save here really quickly. Save this real quick. Alright, that's going to be it for this episode of The Wade She Show, Special Edition Thursdays. Please leave a like below. Please comment with your opinions. How'd you feel about... That was kind of a quick mission, honestly. I kind of had everything I needed, so it really wasn't really that bad. And also, please subscribe for more as we are busting out videos for you guys the best we possibly can here on YouTube. I have seen that we hit 9K subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the 9K. Now we're on our way to 10K subscribers. I hope we hit that very soon. Anyways, that's going to be it for us. And as always, we want you all home to please stay classy.